Good morning, my dear children. Last day we learned about intercrops, crop rotation, and leguminous plants. Intercrops are short-term crops that grows along with the major crops. Then the short-term crops, this lifespan is very short, and these crops are not harmful for the major crops. That types of crops are called intercrops. Then intercrops can grow along with the major crops. And we learned another method, that was crop rotation. Rotation of crops. Which plant we are planting, that type of plants are known as crops. And some unwanted plants sometimes grow with these crops. These are called weeds. And we learned about leguminous plants. That means leguminous plants are in a family of legumes. And in the root of this leguminous plant we can see some globular structures, and this is the habitat of the bacteria that is helpful to convert atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. These plants cannot use this nitrogen in the atmosphere. So this bacteria that is present in the root nodules can convert this atmospheric nitrogen into ammonia or nitrates. These can be used by the plants. Then this process is called nitrogen fixation. Then this bacteria is helpful for nitrogen fixation. That means convert this atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates, and these nitrates are absorbable form of nitrogen by the plants. Today we are going to see the three thoughts of a farmer. In your textbook you can see it. Look, page number 17. First he is thinking about weedicides. That means weeds are there in his field. That means weeds means unwanted plants. Crops are which plant we are planting. That is, we want that type of plants, and that type of plants are called crops. And unwanted plants also grow with these crops. Then what is the problem? These unwanted plants or weeds absorbing more nutrients from the soil. Then these weeds are harmful for his crops. So this farmer is thinking about the weedicides. Weedicides are some chemicals used to destroy weeds. If you spray this chemical in your field, it can destroy the weeds that is growing along with your crops. Then after that you can see he is thinking about pesticides. What is the use of this pesticide? Pest is some insect, that is insect or worms that eating the leaf of this plant or eating plant parts. They are pest. Pest is harmful for the plant. So he is thinking about these pesticides. These pesticides are some chemical that are used to destroy the pest. That is, this pest is destroying his plants. Then after that you can see he is thinking about chemical fertilizers. These are some fertilizers that is used to improve the fertility of the soil. Then that farmer is thinking about these chemical fertilizers to get more yield or more benefit from his plant crops. Okay, then is it good to use these pesticides or weedicides or chemical fertilizers? No, these are not good for the soil or plant, and these are affect when we are eating some food from the plants, then these chemicals that reaches in our body also, it is a very dangerous condition. So we want to think about it and don't use this type of weedicides or pesticides or chemical fertilizers, because it is very harmful for our life. When we are using these chemical fertilizers, it directly reaches in the soil and it destroys some helpful microorganisms that living in the soil. These microorganisms are helpful for the farmers, but by the use of these pesticides, weedicides and chemical fertilizers, it destroys our soil and our life. So please avoid the use of pesticides, weedicides and chemical fertilizers. Next day we will discuss more about it. Thank you. Have a nice day.